This hull cleaner, which we've had since we bought the boat, so it's 5 years, plus the 5 years he had it, 10 years old, it works. Here's what it looks like before and after.
Before we could splash, it was time to renew the bottom paint. This ablative paint helps to prevent algae and mussels from growing on our hull. At $150 a gallon, we only do this every 2 or 3 years. Next was the furler. It is used to roll the head sail in and out. It was a mess.
I've disassembled the furler and I'm going to use a toothbrush to clean this part here, and the bearings are soaking in diesel here. Diesel works great as a cleaner. I haven't even got grease on this and it spins nicely now. Before it was sticking. For the pawls, I'm going to use this 3-in-1 oil. Nice.
Just before we splash, the boat is left in the slings so we can paint the 4 support points from the cradle. Three days later, I moved the boat from her winter storage in Canada and crossed the border into the US, the first time since 2019.
Crossing the border. First time in 3 years. Doing 5 knots here. This is great. You know what? I like not having the bimini. I can stand up here in the cockpit. What do you think? No bimini this year?
Bimini this year.
Why?
I don't want to see crispy critters up on sail.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, then we'll enjoy this footage while we can.